So we are discussing about the birds, right, and the parts of the body of bird. So we are discussing the feet and claws of birds. In our previous video we have discussed that all birds have 2 feet. They have 4 toes on each foot and claw at the tip of each toe, right? So now it depends on the eating habit and the habitat how the toes are built. Now let us see the examples. Okay, so the first one is the flesh eating birds or birds of prey. Prey, I have already told you what do you mean by prey. Prey means some animals or living things, they hunt other living things and they eat them. Okay, so those are called prey. So some birds also, they hunt living things and they eat. Okay, so one example is of eagle. So we all know that eagle eats the flesh, right? So therefore it is called the flesh eating bird. Okay, so flesh eating bird, it eats flesh. So now the claws of eagle are strong and sharp. Why it should be strong and sharp? So that it can hunt its prey, right? It can grasp its prey and tear the flesh of its prey and eat it. Okay, so eagle have strong sharp claws which are called talons, talons. Okay, talons. So it is called as talons. It is strong, it is sharp, which helps the eagle to grasp and tear the flesh of their prey. This is the example of flesh eating birds which eat the flesh of other living things, okay, or living organisms. Now coming to next example, climbing birds. Now the word itself suggests climbing means to climb, right? So why are they called as climbing birds? Because they climb up and down. Okay, so the examples of climbing birds are woodpeckers and parakeet. Okay, so now woodpeckers and parakeet, they climb up and down of the tree. Okay, usually of tree, but they climb up and down of any surfaces. Now look here, can you see? Right, so this is the claw of, so did you see the feet, right, of the parakeet and the woodpecker and the claws at each toe, right? So now how are the feet of these animals? Since they have to climb up and down and they also have to search insects and bugs. Why they climb up and down? To search insects and bugs, because they feed on it, they eat insects and bugs. Okay, so they climb up and down of the tree in search of insects and bugs, therefore they are called as climbing birds. Now if you have seen the feet of these birds, they have 2 toes in front and 2 toes behind. Okay, they have 2 toes in front, look here, 2 toes in front and 2 toes behind. Okay, these birds use their toes to climb and hold on to the branches of the trees. So climbing birds, woodpeckers and parakeets, they are called as climbing birds because they climb up and down a tree or other surfaces. Why? In search of insects and bugs. They are called climbing birds. The feet of these birds have 2 toes in front and 2 toes behind. These birds use their toes to climb up and down and hold on to the branches of the trees. So we have seen 2 examples, flesh eating birds, how are their feet, and the climbing birds. Okay.